That's right. Padam pam pam padam, padam padam pam pam padam, padam padam, padam padam pam pam padam, padam padam pam pam padam pam 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 padam padam. That's right. That's right. And yeah, no. Thank God it's Friday. Come on, man. That's right. Share and area maniaji. And area maniaji. Maniaji ni sanya miyama wa ninkuguo. Maniaji and area. Maniaji pa se. And then one way you want at your free fridge more weekend. You can see a woman. Won't come home. Maniaji doto. Maniaji. Sanya mi gusua ebie kwa de ma wo. Maniaji na wie. Sa still. One ma wujidie wonyame mu ehihim ye. Koso aso wujidie mu. Nimre pemu no ya di nyina fefe dodo. Wodi ane se obenya jidie. Ena wie maniaji dodo. Say ye kan atiasefo a ye kan me no mienu ye de ye ka ho. Esan say nra ye koda ye nanka ye ansode. Enu ti say de papa bi a chen yen ya. Na eye nyame ado. Nyame akai wo ma me. Odi adum bi adom. Amen ye kan atiasefo a ye kan wo ne wabusuafo ka ho. Nyame aye bi wate. We don't need $1 million in our accounts. You don't need to drive Mercedes-Benz. You don't need to live in a mansion before you see God's blessings in your life. Say nyame to me chawo nkwankwa dia. Na wo to me kodana de pachewa. A blessing on its own. Yani bebre na start in January. And so April ya won bebre na dani obituary. Yani bebre na start na watch Monday no. And so na ye kase bebre na wu. Oda ho tenkwam. Ye fa nyame aye yimre no why. Oh yeah. Na do yen so hodon. Good afternoon Ghana. This is 106.3 FM. I welcome you to the biggest drive time show in Accra. This is Ofie Kwanso on the biggest radio station 106.3. Thanks to God and you, we are growing from vibrancy into vibrancy. But share unim baby. And that Friday is a way shopping akufia. Mr. Mama Flora disposable handkerchief. Mema name power shopping new. It's answer when here will money be here. And Kwadani ko school I will be here Flora disposable handkerchief. Musu wu sita wu ko kromwa. Musu be here Flora disposable handkerchief. It's answer a boy ye pa. Flora disposable handkerchief. Eshane rubber bebre ni packaging ne kama. Na no tumi the show bottom. Utumi the show utumi the show person. Utumi the show bag. Kwadani ko school afa bi show on bag. Na de eni ka wo ho ne se. Ehemu bebre. Se uyi ba ko na de pepa on sa hu coronavirus no. Wo de pepa table no so virus ni nyina. What ne. Say we are in modern times. Yan pepa yan sa hu fi. Yan sa fa hanki ni hye botum sa de na twam. Say be use Flora disposable handkerchief. Eshemu bebre. Ye ba ko ne de pepa fi ni nyina ne ato atwene. Ne kwaya ni. We don't want to carry germs and viruses around. Flora disposable handkerchief benya biato. E wo dwa so ba bia. Afi wo de old when it Delta paper mail benya no dodo. From amaso 0243 033 033 0243 033 033. Better than cloth handkerchief. Hey, Flora. Everywhere. Sure. What's the promotion? Sure. Se wunya Dominion herbal powder no more. Eboa boost to immune system no demand. Emma Yadiambo by heart. Dominion herbal powder. Share anopabia sa teaspoon back of fagu cup no more jog fancy share kakra one kafra. Afe bono gona why we almost say 150 started till Mojana started working. And more energy at the boy Juma de Munina. Share Dominion herbal powder. A boy normalize blood pressure or heart related problems in a bebo sorting it out. Or tiredness now we are Juma kakra no abreno. A best sortie and also out at the amount. Furniture license chemical shop, herbal shop, pharmacy shop, BM. And I say, Kokumlim more. I didn't do my family opposite. Kokumlim, I found the first street. Open the door, dear friend, Angel Dominion Herbal Center, 0543 158 195. 0543 158 195. Your number one immune booster, then one Dominion Herbal Powder. Me Pacho join you on Facebook. 106.3 FM. Mrs. Hannah Jampo. Oh, Danyamia said, "Dear man, a bra boy, Navy." Ruth Nana Ama Osu. Oh, Danyamia said, "Dear man, a bra boy, Navy." Sansuna Cecilia Amoa. Oh, Danyamia said, Daniela Wills. Danyamia said, "Navy." Sansuna Prince Amoa. Ene Andy Sammy Dusty. Onyina so Danyamia said, "Navy." Benedict Akwese and Afe Charles C.S. Ankra Emmanuel Abuaje Yao Gaspar when you know what Danya Miasi and area. Now was say Mrs. Evelyn Aqua of Ebenezer Methodist Youth Fellowship Nungwa and Wawada. Mommy, happy birthday. Diana Kosa Danya Miasi all the way from Wager. Ricardo Boche, Danyamiase, Catherine Boache, Danyamiase, Samson Ayana Kojo Bonsu, Obiba Kisi, and a Clifford Asare, Okwampa, Beatrice Delali, Danyamiase, and Erie, Samson Aya George Kodia Listo. Join you on Facebook. Nafa Aya was that in Nafa from Becken Canning in Adiamau. Share and we have a lot for you. If you're ready to enjoy quality radio and area, this is the right place to be. You've been making sure so enjoy radio and kasa. But Udi Dracofie, the Obesima Seal, the member named Paunia Memuda. It says Obesima Seal, a big boy, Diane, Honawata. Say you come Modiani, Robert Modiani. Say, oh, now Obesima Seal, never bomb what wedding. It says a kuta 18 essential minerals, any vitamins, and Pediani here, Yepa. Say, oh, Jay, Wapomo de Honu, Busia for Wapomo de Juan. Then say, oh, Tom Kunku Modiani, Chelsea Modiani. Piano, make sure so better the Obasima Seal, maybe a bomb. Stay healthy, stay strong. Safen Adu Fidia to a higher Adom 106.3 FM. Lovely in a cherries. Or Danyamiasi and Area, or Nitness Sister Benedicta Note. Messi Otin. Eddie Free Italy, or Sinyamiachen and Queneria, or Danyamiasi. Sister Aisha of Ladies of Action. Ladies of Action for you, so mama, big congratulations. Nyamiadom. Wawari successfully. Yeah, caught Tel Aviv, yeah, Isaac Chumesi able to her or Danyamiasi and area. Debbie Dede. I'll say Jerila Sarah Mahiable Ochina Wawota. Happy birthday in advance. Sylvia Boachiwa, good afternoon to you, Danyamiasi and area. Sansuna Maxwell Mate, Danyamiasi and area. Nyamia Dumwa Ochina Akosia Wade. And until Mary Aduasi, I say always show congratulations pa in advance. Eduku Felix or Danyamiasi and area say Nyamede Naba a successful week. Agbeli Da. I say Nyame Aji Onine Bushia or Danyamiasi and area. Sansuna Faustina Arthur say happy 67th birthday and comma Nana Joyce Jakuma aka Mami Eddie 67 years. Happy birthday grandma. Silva Boachiwa Danyamiasi and area Sansuna Stephen Ataria Fe Danyamiasi. I say happy birthday and comma Eunice Adey Kwashi. Sammy Bonzi, or Senyame, Eddie Neho, and Fulfill Nebushia. I hear you inquire on the bread when there we Abigail Ansa, or Danyamiasi and area. Sansuna Prince Techi, Eddie Free Italy, or Danyamiasi and area. Emmanuel Abuaje, or the Free Dallas, Texas. I say Nyamia Chenon Nano Pay. As I know, Penny, I just say US, I don't know. Yet, and I say, oh, Danyamia said, Abigail and Sana Prince, someone so Danyamia said, this is Adom 106.3 FM. Yeah. Now, say, share a TV, your favorite program. No, I enjoy in here, dear. HD Plus Decoder. HD Plus Decoder. HD Plus Decoder. And you can for a day, war. And no, and my pictures near clear. And my brighter high definition. Ankasa, unya HD Plus Decoder. Now they show favorite program. I want to say yes. Viewing experience, is on a whole new level. And she share a electrolang for one showroom beer benwo. Na kona koji HD Plus Decoder. Any flat screen HD TV papa. Would they show movies, would they show games or football games? Ni adi out to say yes. Bibiani da ho ye pa at the mount. Bibiania ube to me afre 0242 439 872 0242 439 872 for more details. HD Plus TV, any HD Plus Decoder, and one the latest ish ankasa. Yo, say no, yeah, they videos of our times, Eddie Bro. Me person join you on Facebook. Now in this era, who be here so be a nose masky. Okay, yeah, no, yeah, good afternoon on Facebook. Good afternoon. Now, James Star Jaco. Is our video of our time ready? Going. Eba. Now, I'm not for only baby share. Videos of our time. A video beer. Me person will join me on Facebook right now. Now do any thing. Baby. Some things can happen. Sometimes you just ask yourself, hey, ain't it way to me see? You ask your videos of our time. Eddie bro see now the videos of our time. Eddie bro ya. Or him I mess in such na sister. You should go see. Videos of our time is up next. Right on 106.3 FM. Patricia, I say black eye you the boogie. My miss Saka cry for Hinyamia. It's as a video na de bano and it's so too much. Okay. Nana Kwame Foster says Yehovah. Nancy Knox says good afternoon, my lovely people. Danyamia say Nerie. Sam J. Eddie Freya Kropon. Or Danyamia say Nerie. Sansona Prince and so Danyamia say Nerie all the way from Dowenya. Now messages now banned more than $6 billion. Now later on the show, you can Kaidina Eddie amount. Evelyn Bedu says, Black Eye, please stand up and dance. What you are making insurance amount. Okay, Emrena son. Today be today. today be today. Egbe ni egbe. Emre na so. Na amafo me pese mo join me on Facebook right now. Se enra mo be kaya ye video bi videos of our time. Enra mo be kaya ye video bi about abrantie bi a. Wakwa kwaji sikaduro. Ani sikaduro no sika eba no de bi koto Benz Mercedes Benz ML. Na auditor Mercedes Benz ML no. Ochi wakwachi fresh girl. Nice girl. Girl no so to front. Wa mo dru kwan finfin na fe ye hu de ka abrantie si roro no ho. Say I don't want the money anymore. I don't want the car anymore. Eradi nyame eba ne saying. Ana emrantie ni bi pick sa moves we sa. Ye pesikantem amanie bebre ene di akire. Hwe monjani on Facebook. Na ene video na ye de ebre no an updated version and a related version. Papa what brofo no? Updated version and a related version. And me one man so ye nuanom man no me wa mo so ye nuanom man no me ne mo na ekasai emrantie ni pesika no amo de ba ne tetema mo ayafo adwen to ho because sika no awudi no wan hwe ya woni ya do ba be sacrificial lamp no se woni mu ameka kire wo mo nyani on Facebook na mo me e man na manum ya mo de no e man na manum ya mo de no mo join on Facebook right now. Everybody nyame. James Taje Cole, is the video ready? Wama me thumbs up. Just a video na sort. More than say kafam asort. Mini animal ma. Mo me ma yedi na ho. Mo join on Facebook right now. Mo join on Facebook right now. Ababa wano. And we're free. Kanim or si free kanim wa he and was started tase no ma from no abodam o si free kanim na no he madam he and was started san no ma from no obi baba wa bodam and was started tase no ma enche bi obewro no he cars ni nyina na agina no he me nua ba boys ni dis kaneba na wudi am adwen na ho wan hwe ya woni e de wo ye sacrifice no you are not aware what how mama sister what how mama monjani on Facebook na mo hwe mani so ade monjani on Facebook right now 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 enra ya de bema ono se na sisika no ni biem ka mamudie no e man boys ni titi sika mamudie mama madiem se mudi ne keke o money ya de wo be sacrifice ni ntimu ani na ho maame se wo ba ne disika ne ba fia o baba ne disika ne ba fia e ya bisa no maame mesraw se wo baba ne disika ne ba fia e ya bisa no se ofa free because one hwe ya ye be ku baba na ma udi agro ye de wo baba no ye de ni betwa so mesraw Mame, mon starting to mo mama ne fo. Mama mo ma yemfa ye concentration ko sika nko so. Sika ye beto ye. Ye beja ho akọ. Na ye ja ho akọ ye ja ho akọ ne sen. Ye beja ho akọ as a sacrificial lamp na. E very important. Mesraw. Mame, mo ani na ho. Se wo baba no onye djuma bia na odisika bumba fia mesrew bisa no otoni omama wa bisa no esanse nioma ne de obeto ama wagie o ba wanhwe ya dakro wo baba na obekọ omma biem oba no a ewose wo nyini ba abrewa na onu besie no wanhwe ya wo besie no it's very unfortunate obi baba o sifri card mu ano start sesa ne omen o sesa ne oma hwe obi chipin se go he afi wadane so okobo constro say oba construct he say uhu adwuma onye say opeso koye baade o so opeso e na cars ni nyina nso agina ene ye hwe no hwe obi ampon to me men no because action again eye no obi ampon to me men no e ba ne sen ene wo se sika sum nipa afa nipa esum sikai Papa Bills Mr. Obewia ye Lord Kenya nyomo no as a mallet crying a boss hanyo yes on the mecheno na adwuma na si papa on the mecheno mo me ni na ho wan hwe ya ye do baba no ye de ne kra e betwa so yo Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans wo mo aba ma wo se wo business no se be gina nti wa ba ma wo papa enu ni aha me mbod be 2 minutes bi aha me mbod be 2 minutes bi we zap mallet na ye aha Lord Kenya
and then yes, I could do pepper some yes from Sika, Obia with our with the beef from Sika, and it be any everywhere. If I pass over your man, some fifth away, baby, be a boko, it's a situation.
Jim Everett, 106.3.
Or for the deepness, I lost man, who is the Kadia, what it is, broke man, and they had a dead and a baby, Mungo Yago, and Monse, Kofi Wayo, and yeah, Jay, show who they are, be chain, rap, Nana Brebre, your best on my name, Ubi Johnny, Obi cocaine, and Jessica, and so you're so much, man, oh, hear me, share what, would you want, oh, what, when they did woman, no, Debbie, and the security is super papa, Titia, Aqua Baby, Adasama, oh, Debbie, Sikaya, Sikaya, and Sikaya, word, no, Bakudon, so kitty, Ubu Fasui, Ubu Udia, Yasi, my Adasama, Yasum Sika, your papa.
It's Friday!
Bible, Nakani Pepe, said the body, a yasing a huna. Why you wouldn't be? Defe pesika kodi akonya share ye brebe
Ofie Kwanso
when you want to see efo kojo soja ma woni sako to step oja kwaki obi moja papa roja people dey sika dey di paso pa paso chika ma me se we dey e ma so open the gate open yijato pipa ayese kako me se won chene ansa na why dey se mini capra na chese ma jenye je asem sebe onebusi asem se bibi ni go to ma masa wado nujum usukra Yefa, Okakwa, never. Sika there, Sika there, so Sika and dance and call. Kitty, Yebufa, Yebu, Pia, Yase, Ashiase, Ma Adasama, Yasum
Yeah. That's right. Taliba is funny. Sika na osenka sika sum nipa say nipa sum sika. Hey, Charlie na remember na tables ne 10 eh one pound. But say opeso you financially independent. Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans and I was all found one down for. Say Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans. Say what for one down for. Enya dia okoto kro be ka wiemu da biara da. One be sort out anytime bia no wa kra ne o ma free abrochire. Abegu tema port apese wo clear afi wo twe ema. Afi wo twi sika ema. Wo hwe ba bia nhwe. Hwe bra na be ka wo hia asem nyina. Factory Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans. Wo mo abeko akọ clear ne o ma ni nyina ma de akogu shop ho. Waton enya sika ma nso ho ahen ha. E wa brabo mu o. E bia na opese wo ne o ma no ana wo shop no ubiem. Now de ne o ma mo e ba begum. Opese wo expand your business no. Che se wadwuma bia no a wo ye no. Se ye ketua se ye kese. Bra na only Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans from between wadwuma no honkomo. Wo mu betie waso pem. Wo slogan no kra na e me dem. Wo say growing together. Se woni wadwuma ne benyini abomu no watumi live a better legacy. And no one die your so Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans. Was here nay furniture one over 20 branches. I want my Ghana moha. They've got you sorted. Banana one beka wadwuma no honsem. Ibetie waso pemu ye pa. Give them a call on their toll-free number 0800 355 355. 0800 355 355. Growing together. Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans. They said, what would it chem baby iska say momo agent be a hop. No one found national ID card and kahwa or transaction no any successful. And until or driver's license or passport or national ID say a year or SNET card or voters ID ube to me ECOWAS card card biano a year legit biano national ID biano ube to me a cop now what to me the aqua year transfer no so okay open cash out momo cash out making sure so be issue a year or ID card everywhere you go MTN they've got you sorted big time. Charlie, this is the ish. I'm out for this is the ish. Hey, I'm out for this is the ish. You bet 2 coins 7 hours. Yeah, kwa Dubai, yeah, kwa Papi, yeah, kwa Dubai, yeah, kwa Chile, yeah, kwa Dubai. Yeah, Kwako have a nice experience. I'm telling you. And into Mr. And who did job make sure. Say o camel antiseptic a liquid no. Oba bomodin so obe Tobi na fa coffee. Na emba woni abusuafo ni nyina ho ban every germs ahudu ho. Say o use camel antiseptic liquid. Esaboa am out to me stand a chance. I won't sube to quine now on swako show when you swat dear. Ewa ye Dubai. Ye ready Dubai a hofe pa. I ready jame. Popping be what? Now shall uni be PZ come out buy and fly promo no. It is on. Now dear the crown said. One more day a year adophobe to quine. Every week for 12 weeks. I go for the Father Christmas for pow. Because our promotion is too big. It's too big. Now, what would you me? I would tell Adom FMCC and a person won't show you. I want you to be part of this life-changing experience. And anything, say, who could just now talk camel antiseptic liquid now? Who told you? Yasha mo baby o ha ye scratch o scratch ho no a wahu panel no o scratch ho a ye wo ho no text code no fabra eye ana text fabra ye short code no eye 1393 na eye free on all networks just all text ya ye nje wo hwe eno ti make sure so beto no more wo to no more o de oduru fia na de ama nkwada no mo rere ho ma tu senka o to ba ko a na say to be 4 na increase your chances of winning this all amazing expenses are a year pizza to for ho ka wo kwa enjoy your home Dubai everybody all COVID-19 protocols will be observed and if you visit our Facebook page at Camel now from Carex at Camel now from Carex for more information. Camel cleans, cares and protects for healthy skin. More nom drinks today has to be Royal Drinks, no doubt about that. Casapreco 4, an ISO certified company what Ghana have say open refreshing drink a flavor on point. Padia a Royal Drinks. Royal Drinks and it comes in so many flavors. Your Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, Royal Cocktail. Now flavors no you're so perfect. You're so refreshing. Unya ne sana udi good tekremasune sano minimum say out to say yes wabo L. Eguso to say yes Royal Drinks e mu ade. Royal Apple nanchiwa, Royal Cola ne becho. Royal Orange nanchiwa, Royal Cocktail ne becho. Flavors near perfect and kasanhye mu bia. Adofo ne abusuafo hia. Make sure say drinks are ye dear him ewase e Royal Drinks. Every casa preko 4 hot. E just baby a ton drinks bia no so benya be ho to me ato open do dia. Fre eye casa preko company limited e wa homa so 0262 351 251. Make sure 0262 351 251. Down in penny for change. Na ya betwetwe nkomabu emu ade mo afidie ni na ha ya basisi
to all mighty worshipers beware Lord Kenya in your heart
That's right. 106.3 in your ears. Let me say good afternoon to you, man like Kwabena Sante. Oh, my head, Kwabenasate. Champ, I want to say there you have a great one, baby. I will be alright. And come on, or driver, a jar. Hey, Kwame Jim Subo, over 5 for heavy pie. Dear, we say 40 dinner. You guys should have a great one, baby. I'm will be out. Now, says Scott, says Scott, are joining ADA. Then, around the world in 5 minutes. See? Papa does part of the station I do. Yes.
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
Yes. Kick it. Scott
Black Eye.
Alpha Scott
Black Eye.
Ache Charlie na bibia boko de
Yake ni check balance ne hwe. Check balance ne yake.
Emuye
Na unim say ndem nya important call. Sandra. Andra asem ya me be kan ye.
De hia
Forbes ya me be kan ye Forbes yi.
Afio
Tie dia me ba be ka kire wi.
Mate.
Me wo na board member baako. Fresi African Crown Andra omoma na ye. Tie menene kasai na o si o.
Only why kasai.
Mene board member baako no ofi Colombia ye fe na Alberto Mbeto Patakiva.
Ai. We are sibini.
Mene kasai no si o. Omo ankasa de no omo fe no Forbes. But generally they say ofen Forbes.
Eti na odi na na woka.
Eti na me unsa me abra me ni omu di nkomo no. Sa na omo ka kire me. Ba me ba no si o eyo efri omo ho. Ke so omo ka si o. Wiase nyina fe ni Forbes.
Okay.
Ba enye Forbes.
Enye Forbes.
Yeah.
Nti na say wo Forbes wa dia tum say na ye wrong ana.
Oh, there be omo mo na ye wrong. Nti na omo mo na correct na me so ma be ka kire ti Ghana fo mfa nche wo omo.
Sa and na won so ye fan chowas wo so ye convener.
But say me as a menu omu din komo personally.
Mate.
Nti no sanity.
Mate. Yes so ya jo so.
Black Eye. Research bi ama ye me ma hye me pa.
Ade lie be.
Dolphin fo ye ama be group ya no ma wu. Say me koye research wu ni enti amafo kana stress na
Wamo say ne pathologists be din koma. Or say wamo say stress wo pumu dodo. Wamo dolphin no wamo ntua light bill. Wamo ntua water bill no. Ata wamo ntua tax ya two fu wamo 6 times in 3 months ko wamo ntua bi no. Wamo say wamo stress. Can you imagine?
Me research na me dia ba 2 weeks fe.
Okay.
So me ye unsa na ma ye di.
Na we serious guy.
Afi Ghana fo nyina nti ye.
Me Judy.
Dolphin ba ko ofri Axim. See, research na my edit you.
Otumi hu dolphin onufi
Azim.
Okay.
Ena ase ofimi ya no koko pie wo outside.
Okay.
Na okoko pie ne black ne beauty ni ntene. E ma so mo ne ye 1 or 2 bi.
Okay.
Ena ma dolphin e wa broche nyina ni ban ho so. Ti na asa akwa ye ntokwa.
Okay.
Entino okokra wo mo se oye den. Or go back to Africa.
You free buy.
And omu nyina di nechi. Ti omo buy in Africa weather no. Enji wo mo. Africa weather no enji wo mo. Ana mo be wuto mpano no.
I see. I say Scott now. We dey say we try ye ti dia share no mu o.
Sha me na me ka kire o.
But me trust him ko you serious.
Sha asama meeting. Me na me ka kire. Inti dolphin no yo
weather no.
Yes. Who say difference woman?
Difference in the saying.
Who said it? One say a hono cold in the more.
Sir.
They are used to it. But Obana the okoye ne sanse na ho ye code ni ntino omo kan ho se.
Okay.
Ti ase so mu demu na ya oka so all back to Africa.
And omo nyina na
omo nyina nto omo ban omo hwe heat
na se sanko omo pe coat bi na ya hyehyɛ
omo ema omo du yikura no kotoka no.
Dolphins ni du kotoka.
Unasande wo fa pumu na.
Sa.
E ho su kotoka ho. Ti omo du ye no a omo bedu ye no pressure na wo Ghana no.
Okay.
Eno na mo de yes. Say no ma bet na Africa Ghana ha be 2 months.
Okay. Okay.
It's almost sure what channel pressure now. And a man about.
Ah, we a serious guy.
It's in the factor. And yet, almost in a way, I stress I'm a because Africa we're done.
Sir. Do any pathologists near you?
Yeah.
Sir. Okay.
Black eye. And my woman yet here. Necessary woman. Mamma form on son to Musisi. Almost a tea capital. No near researcher, Miami person called Mujayo. Especially on somebody too.
Says got young queen. Why?
Black eye. Obi Biala wa worry or X. Aya uhuna now with the respect amano Esan say he or she succeeded where you failed. Yeah, he or she succeeded where you failed. Didn't add this Scott Martina say your moon ransom them.
Dear Grakrum had the ever boo.
Yabume Cravy, see Yabumi, Yabume Cravy.
Come on, yeah.
Black eye. Yanko Taiwan.
Okay. Taiwan or he?
Messi Yanko Taiwan.
Okay.
Now the aqua cosini.
Come on,
Lake be home. Your friend Sun Moon Lake.
Sun Moon Lake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Our Taiwan.
Okay.
Now I say Krachibi. Eko Johnny phone to Lake in him. I feel back on 2020. I'm say 2019. I'm say about 1.5 for that. Okay. Na and they phone. I brand na kwa who phone na. Phone enye she. Send the cover no. Waterproof. Nti phone nya she no.
You share to your phone.
But a cover ne dey essay.
Okay.
But phone name no. As a brand new.
Wow.
Madam catch it.
And your cover there see who need to make crabby the ball my Ghana mu how.
Ain't no.
Cause business ne be fa pa.
Omo man pa yan Monday. Me di be ba be kire wo mo.
Okay.
Yeah. Me di be ba be kire wo. Internet say dia akoso eno. Black eye. Asem we na say me ye investigation ye. Ye ka checkpoint a what you say.
Baby a point I check it.
Sir. But we no say checkpoint between Spain and France.
And I say between Spain able to jabre one more border no so ho na bia.
Yeah. Na no na man bia che say yakwa akwache ne say obi ewu et ne car front. And our police na baby akra no de car ne nam no omo kira enye baby a esese nka car ne yeden enam ho.
Okay.
Nti omo nko stop no. A police phone stop no na baby on nam no omo ba ka chance o. E bia na wonim. Nti omo kwa akwa ka so e wrong road no nam so no. Omo kwa no stop na man ba ko te front a wo.
Hey, asem be mi.
Na he no de ne ko.
And I wouldn't free.
And I wouldn't free.
Bako for a man a bo.
Okoyina no saying.
Okoyiwa no saying.
Today say yes one yet the say kidebo down phone.
Sasemo ABC wo Ashanti region some time back
Say.
Na afi one mo be left. Na nipa na hu ato came. Na ukoka ne saying. And them blame crash you say you trust you be I ka so o de no kwaji sikedro.
Black eye.
Yeah.
Nti man na mani hunu ena.
Okay.
North Korea. Leader. Me pese me body di.
Oh, de body di mai.
Me ko kan be ka se ni si.
Oh, de body di mai.
Kim Jong. One.
Ade.
Kim Jong.
One ana
O kan so hene no.
Nti wo so bo hene kakra. Nti Kim
Jong.
Hey.
Yeah.
Say Scott.
I say omo mo ho. Kromo ofu nyina mo mo.
Ade lie be.
Haship I friend haship di. Omo hwe omo survey ne ma bia. Omo ntoto omo ne ma yi.
Sa.
Hwe komo be de wo mo pa.
Komo ba.
Hwe komo e be de wo mo.
Komo ba pa.
Komo be de wo mo pa.
Komo ba.
Enu nti no.
Sa.
Black eye.
Yeah.
Me dey see.
Yo, me
na. Answer na me kon. Yen ka asem ko enche Ghana for.
Okay.
Me pa cho men ye proud. Say we are virgin. It is lack of opportunities. Medin Edison Scott. Okwachi mo da ye fe kro bi kejebi. Na che say wo kan na we jebi. Makra mu nyina.
Bye bye. My wo kro ma be che wa bo pe wo. Yo. Ba obeto fuel and to free a go filling station, right? fuel be our better dear go cab, say a diesel, say a petrol, make sure say a goil to free golf filling station. Because golf filling station there, yeah, golf filling station, no talk fuel on if you has can it no my god, I'm yet to medium puntun, you might be brave, yet the roads, yet the schools, yet the issue who you money and Kanya Honsen. I don't talk a high grade fuel, a free a year goil, since a god, young Cassia, Todini for free, we are safe for. Yo, baby, I agree, dear. Yanchu Chinko Mokaka. Yanko a Patterson Zokonis for Australia PZ. Nyan want to Chinko Mokaka. I'm penny for Mama Kwaba. Na Bibi Aboko, dear. Na edino maboni ye mombe mics ma mom obi ambe ne mic mame edino maboni ye die is it Patterson Zokonis and I can say mo correct me is that afa now mo introduce mo hon fa my starting through ho the one in blue yeah
Pacho FM George Butchery.
Okay,
Me marketing assistant or PZ Cousins.
Okay, yo.
And your friend Nicholas Papepon. Me head of business development or Pedigree Ghana.
Oh, okay. Yo, and I write your own way.
Kweku Buadu. Pedigree.
Okay, fantastic. And you're starting free a year camel antiseptic. Yeah, camel antiseptic. Pacho, the won't come catch him.
Yo, medase. Camel antiseptic near Yakano Samina Nsu.
Okay.
Yede kun mwawa germs ne bacteria yemfa yenu nti camel no obetumi de egunsu mu edwae obetumi nso de paper form ama e form ho ay neat and emremu aye wo corona emremu sei no camel no etumi boa ema germs bia ewo body hu nyina no otumi clear ni yie na camel antiseptic ye hwemu for Ghana market ni mu no and the leading brand in the antiseptic category and also ne brand Ghana Medical Association for agiatum yebeka no obrofo mu say oma endorse is the only antiseptic Ghana Medical Association for endorse.
Oh, okay. All right. Good. So now let's talk about a year more promotion. Promotion your friend is saying.
But camel buy and fly to Dubai promotion.
Just say camel to na yamfa wonfa wiem enko Dubai.
Sa pepe.
I just say to camel antiseptic no. Ni yamfa wonfa wiem enko Dubai. Yendi ho nkomo kakra.
Okay. Inti promotion we third year. Emra etoso miensa promo no.
Okay.
Na you started 2018. Inti promo ye customers omania agye ho pan yi na last year no esan say corona no man ho so inti yentumi anko anye sa promotion we but this year no you say sisia no vaccine ne nyama aba inti ye betumi protect ye ho yi inti ye say oh and the yemfa promotion we some bra because already no na your customers no omo frɛ
okay
said da ben na ye besan aye biom inti enu nti na yasa aye promo ni biom no na
right.
Promo no ne tell say every week you select one winner obekɔ sa Dubai trip no all expense paid inti just say kabia ewo akwantu no ho no pizza tafa kabia ewo hotel a obeda tours a obekɔ COVID-19 test a obeye nina visa nina pizza tafa honka na nia ye kache o say ye nia wasede a wo say o ye nkwan ne say obewura shop bia mu ebia eben shop bia eben fie ana ebia okanshi market ana ye local market ya ana say supermarket akese na wakoto o camel na camel no ye wo from 7 Ghana cedis ko obetumi nya bi ato
okay
na woto a obehu scratch panel bottle no so ne ohia say obeye ne say obe scratch panel no Now scratch ya, I say credit card no. O scratch ya, obi code be.
Okay.
Obe Texas our code no. Ako 1393. Ewo network biya so free of charge. And no na obe to me wini hampers. Obe win to me wini airtime and so account. But ultimate price no ye. Say obe wini trip for two to Dubai. Na trip no wini ya. Yama o kwan ma o select nipa baako kan ho.
Oh, okay. Ti we ni anya honko na hoko.
Da bi anya honko na hoko.
Obi fufura kan ho. Wow. Na moko mo flight ne ho kani nyina mo be fa ho ka. Ba bia nipa na be da hotel ni de obedi nyina mo be fa ho ka.
Ye be fa ho ka.
Ene mo ye Father Christmas. Okay. Enti ene no draw ni bi be koso ana.
E be koso. Enu ti na.
Fantastic. Enti ene ye ba benya ye winner baako a. Ono be ye winner e de be ka e winners no de omo akọ.
Inti ye start ye select 4 winners.
Okay.
Inti any winner na ye be select na fifth winner.
Fifth winner. Inti ene ye ba be select obi a ye de be ko Dubai. Ene ye asisi e ka say. Fantastic. Ene ye me ponko pentem. Me tiefo so ponko pentem. Ti ene ye sa dia mo ma ye wura mo friend say draw you draw nim you draw nim na fe yen hwe numbers ana number ene ye betumi apeke na obey your winner for ene me fa no Dubai. My ready
na ye select here no.
Okay, wo select here me pa cho me pese me humu bi.
Yes,
me pese me humu bi. Me pese me humu bi. Camera no correct capture nti mo am Facebook so mbehu se bibia ye feely we nya se obi hye baabi no ahye da ye na say Jeko ti zoom camera no to laptop no so na obia hu se we nya se bia ye libi labalaba se bi ne ye wa hagba bibia ye feely pa ye credible draw ankasa enu nti no mo me nyina ye nhye ne so pa na ye nko. Okay, the champion it is say dia na ye wa laptop no so no.
Every week biano yenya phone numbers bebre tens of thousands.
Okay,
na out of that obia oma scratch I tested for that week no the numbers in your boom enti eba studio ni say na ya selected back randomly.
Okay,
I just say what about to be a tested biano ebetimi ayo.
Okay,
enti say am ya selected number back out of numbers bebre
na by. Okay, enti ene o command ne ma randomly ewura mu a choose number enti say number ben yenya. Okay, enti say no Papa Bills ba be friend number no Papa Bills mo friend number no. Okay, enti eguso friend number no we e feely pa we nya se ekwohye baabi ekwohye tokrom baabi ni ahyeda aseda bi we feely pa credible draw say no eye African na ni abre wafa phone na offer eye ye winner no a ye de na eko Dubai and eye afie mu we dey asebde pa o. This is truly good news ankasa and eye PZ4 Camel antiseptic liquid for what they my this is a great opportunity. Thank God we have the winner on the line. Hello, good evening. Oh, quite unfortunate. The line no I drop it. Yeah, try say be establish contact with you winner no na yet to me akoye dimo. Yeah, kono na make I say in boost herbal mixture eboa boost to immune system no edema ye pa. I think we have the call on the line. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, friend me Black Eye. Me adwuma wa Adom FM. Na oho te say.
Mpacho yo.
Odin e the saying.
Mpacho say.
Me pacho your friend saying.
Your friend me Kutua de Che Salasi.
Kutua de Che Salasi.
Aye.
Na Camel for one promotion no odo ho ahye mu bi. What scratch ya send code ni bi.
Mpacho aye.
O ye ne da ben.
Yeah no 2 days ago.
Oto ede na woto ye. Hello? Yeah. Oto de ede na woto ye house scratch ye. De na woto ye.
Please, I've forgotten what I bought.
Yankatri. But then, who scratch ye? And I will enter promotion, you know.
Aye.
One kasa na wo ye ya na.
Mpacho aye.
O kai time wa wo ye.
Yeah.
Because me person me who say yeah wa and until na me be some question me person me who say me need a real win and kasa no.
Yes, please. 2 days ago, I scratched a card and I sent the code. But
Me too, pa.
yeah, 2 days ago, I scratched a card. But it was my mom that bought the thing and used before we came from school. Before I scratched it and sent.
Oh, okay. All right. Champ, they say the mammy now. Now, if you use more discretion, per the conversation, I could see. They say anything.
It is a no, you may be some question. Now, so to me answer.
Okay.
Now, we win.
Mate. Okay, dear baby, our question. Why? Okay, Patrick Osomai.
Sorry, Mpacho ni dini biom.
Udini biom. Selassie. Kutua de che Selassie.
Okay, Selassie.
Sir.
It's Pacho mi bisa say camel antiseptic and then I'll be to me there.
Please, I don't understand the 3 word. If
okay, the cabrofuman.
Okay, so Selassie, my question is, what do you use camel antiseptic for?
camel usually is disinfectant. When you use the toilet, you can use it. When you want to wash, you can use it, and it kills 99% of germs.
Why you chew that thing like Baba? Eh?
No, I'm a nurse.
Are you a nurse?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So,
Selassie, congratulations. You've won for yourself a trip for 2 to Dubai.
A trip for 2 to Dubai?
Yes.
Okay.
So who will you be traveling with?
My mom.
Hey, where do I fast pal? Where do I fast pal? My mom. Anyway, so how do you feel? How do you feel getting this news? How do you feel? Talk to me.
I feel happy, very happy. I'm excited.
Okay, and what will be your message to each and everyone listening to us?
My message to them is they should buy camel antiseptics, and they can also get this type of opportunity to travel.
Fantastic, Selassie. Congratulations one more time. Why? Fantastic. Good. Okay, champ. They say you're saying so now more winners, 5. They say we have a count. They say 5 winners. They say how many?
12.
You got 12.
Yeah.
7 more.
Yes.
7 more to go. Wow. Jenny ni bed. So let's round up a conversation or final messages. I'm going to be giant. Sorry, sir.
And see what would say Nebiano. And Mr. Selassie ne opportunity. Say we near Obi or can you be a court trip nibi. And yet too late. Said away a can win a fit winner. And just said you 7 more weeks to go.
That's it.
And see. Utie ya ko shop bia ben
Sir.
ko pe camel antiseptic ne bi na to o man kasa scratch it na test it enko 1393 free en charge o utie ya next week by this time no na wo nso na ube we need trip out the Dubai.
That's right. My memory also champion.
Inti sena ne kaka no sa inti rush na ko se ne wo adwemu a make sure say obinya camel na camel no pacho wo ta hwe say scratch panel na ebo ho no yen scratch make sure say na wo to no scratch panel na ebo ho no intact na to na for breath na be scratch na next week by this time e bia na ye wo na we win trip for 2 to Dubai.
Sir. Next week by this time maybe I will and we need to you know to more now increase your chances of winning. Depending for Madam CP. Why? Good. This is 106.3 FM. Adom and Wasugua Utie no big time CCA. Now in boost herbal mixture eboa boost to immune system na demand huade mapa eba unipeduem and into you know no in boost herbal mixture in these times our virus hadri unya in boost herbal mixture no more ebeboa boost to immune system na mama huade aba unipeduem why na afi na ho to ebeboa mo asu da dem nso ntem odo any chair license chemical shop pharmacy shop bia mu o my guy na mu ha obenya imboost herbal mixture bi ona watumi atom open do dia fresh 0243 115948 0243-115-948. Post Nina Bruno and one in Boost Herbal Mixture. Say Ubecha bet dia, it has to be bet borrow. Say Ubecha bet and Quadia, it has to be bet borrow. Bet borrow there, or sign it up now, make you first deposit. Now place your first bet. Now once our bet now I settled, no, Ubet me receive a free bet up to 400 Ghana cedis based on your first bet now be placed. Now it's so simple. Bet borrow there would dia. Now fenya be o cobra bia yentua ne kakanka krama debi. We dey near do sika egu your account pepe the amount. And it double winnings, you know, for every bet I'll be placing. I want a bet borrow so. Gaming Commission of Ghana. Asaya say obetume do ho ahye say dwumadie mu bi. Now so usika sem etumi akoye at the amount. Today we have Capone. Hey, Mr. Logic. Unyeja whole crowd. Logic. This is 106.3 FM. Adom FM ni na unim. Yani Capone eba betwetwe nkomo mamenko for this short commercial break na yemfan settle ni anhyehyɛ ye ho ye. We are going to really enjoy radio. You're going to enjoy this interview too.
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cash back in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
Yes. Oh, I say, you know, when I'm for a bank. Oh, yeah, I'm true. Mukono. Go slow. The maze cement. Action for pizza in the maze. Yeah, I am Chinner Hawaii. Me a funny no more bomu kur. Baby, sure, yam no kuno kulogolic. And yet, Jaisu WMP capsule. And yet, Jaisu WMP capsule. Yet, is here Kobe out to Bibla. We am bedroom marriage. I want to Papa Brown Sanawaba. So, a constipation, I am Chira. For Jaisu WMP capsules. No, Baba William so way. Hey, you Fibiaro. I am Chira. To host the sumo to plenary you from a one hole. As a for Jaisu WMP capsules. No, we am Rebogo. Yafana Macha. On time upon a we am go fine. The Bibiara reason. San Jaisu Yaba clinic away Jaisu WMP capsule. Happen to a friend. 0244-529398. Jaisu WMP capsules. I'll go him.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cash back in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
Mommy! No one can love like a mother. No one can protect them like you do. And now that schools have reopened, it is important to protect our kids from anything that could make them sick. That is why Nido feeds your child with essential nutrients like iron and vitamin C to help strengthen their immunity. Nido, your love, their future. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was me mobile money. See me with our keska. Charges some 380 cedis. What send this can go charges no. Wait there cement turn back so. Me atie. Se we be move work of Vodafone cash and ka we be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. Me say me network ne there. Tie. What send this ka was our network no so no. Yet what send this ka free with network no so akwa network foforo no. Eno so yet na mum tie asem de pa. What send this ka Vodafone cash
swa e free. Who send this free Vodafone cash? I got network bia swa and so you free. Masa into work catch me. What so you then was sour network and no so move for bra Vodafone cash says yeah. Hey masa you chip not to ball musisi ah. I know say there who send this Vodafone cash so I got network bia swa e free. Send this do bia and prend do bia con network bia so free. Dial star 110 hash says yeah in the send this car.
Enapa. Yo, enapa sardines, enapa mackerel, enapa soya sauce, yeah, enapa baked beans. For sandwich, kenke, and salad, try the tuna. Enapa chocolate drink, avanti numbio, ne creamy man. And dairy cream, so on the near yet the dead. Enapa, the supu.
Enapa sardines in vegetable oil. It's best for your kinky or your banku and pepper.
Send up a mackerel for your soup, for your stew, and your love.
Na spaghetti need the Italia papi.
Enapa, the supu.
Enapa, the suku. FD, I should say, a gradient cut so you had to say a ye.
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
No doubt about that. Welcome back to the show. Ofie Kwanso. Me didi kwesi apia. Obetimi aframe black eye. Baby a oshibia na fina do affiliate to Akwaba to Ghana's #1 radio station 106.3. Jaisu Herbal Clinic was a year ene china a Friday any Saturday bia or wabusuani bia na wadamfo bia stroke hana padia fanebra Jaisu Herbal Clinic a wachira kwan wo Olebu 6 to 6 down odo ani chire ho a experienced doctors wo ho a Friday ni Saturday bia no ye share stroke patients ti fanebra na ye mo anhwere na ne ho entono from 0244 529 398 0244 529 398 Jaisu Herbal Clinic one and where Jaisu WMP capsules eboa yi amamman ne afin nyina afri ni paduam sanso no ye Jaisu Sima Lady capsules eboa ema no ema o ehihye won yie pa sanso en where Jaisu Black Budo capsules no de mema drop a eboa ma mema ye mema mu ankasa do ani tre license chemical shop pharmacy shop biemu a ubenya bi wo ho na watumi ato se oya Ghana ni na wutie wo UK abonten so baabi a wo bia wo UK se wo homfa wo a woni Dr. Shadra Kwabdan Trakwa entwetwe nkomo na ne nimbuku appointment obebo ahwe ama ho ato owo Milton Keynes friend 0044 744 0710664 metre 0044 744-071-0664 na one doctor intumi entwetwe nkomo na book appointment na baby a wo bia no tugiri na mo na fo ani kire ho obebo ahwe ama ho atumi atowo ankasa odu ani kire na bo ache herbal mensanim die herbal Takrade, Kings Walk, Repart Ventures, any herbal shop biemu abenya Jaisu enro papa pai bi ho na onso watumi ato. Say yensa kan dancehall artist, Capone Ofia ha. Yane ntwetwenka nkomo kaka. My brethren, bibi abokoze. Yes, Osheye pa. Ja. Osheye ro.
Osheye wankona.
Capone. Capone.
Original black eye.
Azwe, nese ba de lokodo.
Ya ba ya ne chere. Ya ba.
Do you remember this tune? Do you remember this tune? What be the title? Eh sha. Eka ni munsem ni nyina. Eh sha. Capone, let's do it, man.
Okay, Oliam from the Bonichen. Also, the new Gassa telling the bishop. Yamuda Nimbense Obeki mom. Saturating her not time for major. Good over evil as all the things said. Some of them are brought you feel with things, but them don't know how the thing work. So me pray for me enemies, them like the church. Them more them a fighter, and I them want me wish them all the best. God Almighty, forgive them. I beg your Father, forgive them.
Yeah, man.
Hey, hey. Father, forgive them.
That's right.
I beg your Father, forgive them. Cause they don't know what they do. Them too selfish. Fake from one fi sell me out. Dirty bad mind and sabotage. Them self stuff full of enviness. Nothing a surprise you, we know them are anti-height. Father abusing picnic right. Fake pastors them want survive. Lie them a tell them that no nice. Politicians them a trick the people. Forgive them.
Oh.
I beg your Father, forgive them. Hey, hey.
That's right.
Father, forgive them. God, I beg your Father, forgive them. Cause they don't know what they do. Them say we not deserve it, so them underrate we. Pray for we downfall, Baja defend we. Clean out upon them. Reality over nudity, me tell them. Player hate of them, jealous of within them. Them wish say we caught up in a problem. Still we wish them well that I beat them. More legend in your no so better than them. Greediness I'll kill them. Father, forgive them.
Yeah, man.
Chubby.
Yeah, man.
I beg your Father, forgive them.
That's right. Yeah.
Father, forgive them. God, I beg your Father, forgive them. Cause they don't know what they do.
Capone! Charlie, where have you been? Where have you been, man?
Look at the boss. We are around here.
Around here, it's a studio in the little cuckoo sounds. What's going on?
You know, we have been working, we have been around.
That's right.
Up and running. You know what I mean? Because we have been working in the studio.
That's it.
102.
There was this flagship program recently. I mean, who they that bill not the big time pa.
Yeah, the 3 music.
The 3 music. Yeah.
You know what I mean? We have been putting in the work and we have been around.
That's right.
You know what I mean? And you can see Orokwado, Baby Orokwado.
Then Charlie, you free down so ni your love kakra. 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 Oh look at
come for again.
Yeah, man.
Rhythm boss. Listen to me. Oh, yeah. Empress Divine. Can you please give me some minute of your time? What is love? Tell me when you feel define.
That's right.
If you are work, me not ready to resign. Oh, no. From me looking at your eyes. Me say the wealth you kind of me fine.
That's right.
No side chicken now you me I go call me wife. Me no need no other pretty girl in my life. Hey, yeah. You are my princess. My angel truly. Me no want to listen to the words where the hater them want say. This feeling got me going crazy. Still I love you. Say yes. Would you be my first lady? Me no must say other yeah that is it. My hope the menu bawoba. Me mama papa she obiara fawala. Sell the shit shower for Samoa. No matter what I'm gonna do, yeah, me love you, girl. And I can't betray you, girl. Like me, like I need you, girl. Oh, no, cannot let you go. You are my princess, my angel, truly. Still, I love you. Me no feel listen to the words where the hater them want say. Still, I love you. This feeling got me going crazy. Yeah. Say yes, would you be my first lady? Hey, Missy, yeah, that means I love you, girl. Ooh, yeah,
that's right.
I miss you now. Empress Divine, can you please give me some minute higher? What is love, girl, me when you feel it? If you want work, me not ready to resign. Oh no, from me looking at you.
That's right.
You said the wealth you kind of me fine. No side chicken now you me I go call me wife. Me no need no other pretty girl in my life. Yeah. You are my princess, my angel truly. Still I love you.
That's right.
If you listen to the words where the hater them want say. Still I love you. This feeling got me going crazy. Still I love you.
That's right.
Say yes. Would you be my first lady? Me no must see other yeah that's in sika. My amo, the menu bawoba. Me mama papa she obiara fawala. Sell the shower for Samoa.
Yeah.
No matter what I'm gonna do, yeah me love you, girl. And I can't betray you, girl. Like me life, I need you, girl. Oh, no, gonna let you go. You are my princess, my angel, truly. Still, I love you. Me no feelings into the words where the hater them wants it. Still, I love you. This feeling got me going crazy.
Still, I love you.
Say yes, would you be my first lady? BC, yeah.
That's right.
I love you, girl.
Oh, hey, Miss AC too. You too few. I'll come my uncle. Take it easy. Take it easy. You're a part of my will be on Facebook. I say, wow, he is good. Good talent. But I say, Ekashahin, Ame Wukubia says, okay. That's what Ame Wukubia is asking. I think maybe what she wants to ask is, where have you been all this while?
Yeah, man.
We
have been building.
That's right. But how is the industry treating you?
Very, very well. So far, so good. I think on easy them, and it's not always that straight.
That's right.
But then, from you put in the work and you believe in what you're doing, I think the support too will come.
That's right.
And the industry is treating me very, very well. They welcomed me very nicely, and I'm still in it, enjoying, working hard, and receiving the support I'm supposed to get as well. So I think I'm grateful for what the industry is doing, especially the multimedia. I mean, they're really pushing my brand. And I really appreciate it.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. Let's talk about them Vex.
Yeah, man.
Them Vex. On if you feature
no Baroni.
No Baroni.
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay. Talk to me about it. Them Vex.
Yeah. Them Vex is between. It's a collaboration between me, Eno Baroni, and Frida Rhymes. One Dre our baby. You're right. One level maybe. I one there. All round.
That's right.
You know what I mean? So if you be drill, we go do some. If you be afro, we can do it. Even gospel, high life, you're about to. And them Vex is another side of Capone. You know what I mean? Because those who know me from way back know that, I mean, this is just normal and this is just something about me. I mean, on years and a month. But then, 1 year, that familiar with the brand, I think they also have to get their piece of the cake. There's another side of Capone. And we feature 2 best rappers, female best rappers in Ghana here too. And I think it's a boom sound, you know what I mean? And it's full of heat and fire.
Is a what?
It's a boom sound.
Again?
Boom sound. So the whole thing said from there, why you don't?
Yeah, man.
24. I'm to them, man. Black eye.
Couple.
I see more fire, you know. Hey, you today. Everybody artists. Come to them. Okay, listen. Boom, boom, you're dead. If it is daughters, dream them a daydream. Tell them to wake up, them slash sleep, them lyrically, them lost out of my 40. If I tell them a bogus, man a pilot. We can lose focus, but anyway, somebody pre-locals, them jealous. Me no in no circles, disrespect, and you ever get gunshot. Easy. Chat them a chat, then can't do nothing. Time them a waste, then can't press button. Wolf in a ship's king can't tell me nothing. It's like the glory, I teach them lesson. Ruffle on the beat and sing. Why shot make them head spin? Them girls go round me tin. Tell the little boys I be a young king. Tell me.
I'm going to be you. Charlie, let's do it again. Tell it, this is wicked, man. Them Vex.
Show me. Security. No man. You touch trouble, no man. Everybody artists. Listen, me, no man. Drill them. Pump you go dead. If it is daughters, dream them a daydream. Tell them to wake up, them still asleep. Them lyrically, them lost out of my 40. If you think them a bogus, man a pilot. Me can lose focus, but anyway, some boy a pre-locals. Them jealous, me no in no circles. Disrespect, and you ever get gunshot. Chat them a chat, can do do nothing. Time them a waste, then can't press button. Wolf in a sheepskin can't tell me nothing. It's like the glory I teach them lesson. Ruffle like a beat and sing. One shot make them head spin. Them can't go run me tin. Tell the little boys I'm a yummy youngkin.
Yeah, man.
Oh, make them vex. Show them girl a call we with the phone. Them said them a king without no throne. Come me a go give me dog your bone. True we song them mad out the road. True them girl a call we with the phone. Them said them a king without no throne. Mess around them me a go give me dog your bone.
Came for the money, I don't come for the crown, so why?
And say, hey, man, out to hey. Free the rhyme.
Tell it on distress. I know I'm vexed on the vest. If I vest, then I guess it's about to be worse. I say, girl, near dress, the dress and the flesh was to get that swear be the best of the best. Tell the show that it's over. Try dream, but need to don't come closer. Bad vibes in the air. Yeah. Let me wipe, put on my nose mask, you know the corona. Yeah. 247, let it go hard. Yeah. I got something for my shoulder. Let the drill be short every day. Still I stand.
Yeah, me a soldier.
Yeah,
me they try him. I took on the back biting. Charlie on distress.
Said I came for the money, I don't come for the crown, so why?
I'll make them vex. True we songs them mad out the road. True them girl a call we with the phone. Them said them a king without no throne. Mess around on me, I go give me dog your bone. True we songs them mad out the road. True them girl a call we with the phone. Them said them a king without no throne. Mess around on me, I go give me dog your bone.
At the sound of my name, I bring the game, I am the game. I can't be tamed, but who's to be blamed? You see me no more there. Yes, it's a shit and no more there. Yes, now when you be a rent it, then you can't take it, I'm a dicker. I am the one with the power. When she me, I will be power. If you can beat me, just join me. Now try me, I want to bet you that man that got my ass on the road. Me, you walk, get it. You could be a back you, not to let it see me. Feel you break, I say lose this year control. Now see how I hit me, real round with lame, just like that. Man, dodge me, I they be you, I go crash. Put in a no and put on the track, it's a separate my ring from the trash.
True, we song them mad out the road.
I'll make them vex, dog your bone.
That's right, that's right. And Godfred Ado says, let your manager promote your songs in Jamaica and you'll be on top. Nancy Knox says, you do all Capone. And this one says, Lush, it not be easy vex cry. Louis Tetanada says, you just got to know him, support him. And his name is Capone. Check him out on YouTube. Hey, Grafuna watch it, baby, and Grafun check or Apple. On your easy. And Nana AC Royal says, how come I haven't heard him? And then Anesi, then you what's up? He said, yeah, you know what's up. This one says, what a voice. Good talent. Good talent. Wow, he is good. Big ups Capone, Edna Morgan. And the Fifi Benji says, oh, talent. And Dada says, Capone. Lots of messages flowing in. Ice Queen, a champion Candy says, wow. Felix Beldoa says, I'm feeling the vibes. In your them messages here from fans, how does it make you feel, my brother?
It makes me want to do more, you know?
Right. That's right.
It motivates me.
That's right.
You know what I mean? To do more of it, to do extra.
That's right.
You know, more.
Fantastic.
You know what I mean?
So, or your VGM is nominations. You know, who are nominated? Who are nominated?
Yeah, I had 2 nominations.
Okay, more
Reggae Dancehall Song of the Year.
Okay.
And Reggae Dancehall Artist of the Year. It's mean 2 nominations for them.
Reggae
Dancehall Artist of the Year. And Reggae Dancehall Song of the Year.
Wow. Obibis out there, are you the new face and voice of reggae dancehall in Ghana? Ebe answer me then.
Obviously, you know what I mean. Obviously, what's as a punk come for now.
That's right.
I think recently BBC One Extra. They did a freestyle Africa 360.
Okay.
And I represented Ghana.
That's right.
So these are some of the reasons. I mean, these are some of the or your answer to your question. If I'm supposed to be asked there, am I the new face of reggae dancehall? I mean, we're taking the work far, you know what I mean? We're taking the work extra far. And but then if you are putting in the work, show.
That's right.
You know what I mean?
That's
the BBC Extra was out there, and all the works that we're doing is out there. So As a punk come for no.
Okay. Into category one of your biggest competition because dancehall side the reggae side or the Charlie fire.
Everybody they get fire, but you know my fire be different.
That's
fire,
right. Into who is your biggest competition power of VGM even?
Biggest competition apart from Samini, you know.
Okay.
Apart from Samini, where I say, you know what I mean.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the rest of the year, you know, and for one category, I'm very sure of that is the reggae dancehall artist of the year.
Reggae dancehall artist of the year.
Looking at the works. One I was nominating one, comparing to the works that I also
under
did.
The year
under
review,
the year review.
For
that one, you know what I mean. For that one, I don't see any competition on that side.
Okay.
But for the song of the year, there's a little competition because they would be doing a lot of analysis and statistics or what. So I don't know whatever will go on there.
That's
but
right.
for the artist, reggae dancehall artist of the year, that one there, no competition there that side. If you even they look at the typical reggae dancehall, I'm the only typical, like, you know what I mean. I'm the only as at the talk say for now.
Okay.
For now, I'm the only typical reggae dancer. Episode now, them two, then they do the thing some. They are also doing the reggae dance. But for now, you know what I mean, episode there.
That's right.
So for now, I'm a representative as in
that's right.
For the reggae dancer side, you know, artist of the year.
Artist of the year. Cape Coast.
Yeah, Cape Coast.
Okay, and how success now music, you know, what you down, baby, Ify.
Yeah, there is a lot of messages coming from that side. They are happy. Right. They are all happy.
Okay,
you know, on times you see them if you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes when it happens like that, everybody becomes happy. A lot of congratulations, a lot of messages, well wishes, and a lot of things coming from that side. You know, the radio's trying to interview me, the media, you know, and it's beautiful.
So you're getting the support and encouragement
100, and I really appreciate it.
Fantastic. Let's talk about only test, you know. Title in the day. Jealousy. Talk to me about jealousy.
Man, jealousy, baby, even relationships,
right.
jealousy. I think it's part of humans. Jealousy and some of these jealousy, you know, ibinum on that negative.
Okay.
You understand? Then we have the negative jealousy to way day.
Okay.
You understand?
That's
but
right.
in this song, I'm talking about the negative jealousy.
Okay.
You understand? Ubina Zenyanefe. You know, Capone is one artist who has always been trying to dash away the negativity in the system.
That's right.
So this is another tune talking about negativity, like jealousy. Ubina Zenyanefe. Inka yenya nominations they will be waso na no way na atasa so I think we don't need all this energy in our lives.
That's right.
You know, so
that's right.
Most of the times we try to talk about it so say people will learn from it.
Of course.
That's
right. On the yanko. Brand new.
Them know if they say you make it, we give it to them, them take it. The girl go down and shake it. Well, I don't think that's a judge. I say boku jealousy, 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 jealousy. I tell you when you boku jealousy. God bless you, so we never give up. Bring it to you, tough big up. Them office
me no see nobody. Them a dance me that in a sugar mommy. To them she say me making more money. So them want me dead obituary. Jealousy, 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 jealousy. Gololo, 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 give me gololo, 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 give me gololo, 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 give me gololo, gololo, gololo. Give me gololo. Me no know why them about money. Me other father say why me? Why them a so upon me? But man is a disease. Someone don't try me. Me say personally, me no see nobody. Them a toss me that in a sugar mommy. To them she say me making more money. Them want me dead obituary. Jealousy, 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 jealousy. I say jealousy, jealousy. And you believe bakuo? Papa say bakuo. What are you winning bakuo? We do it again. Up on again. Easy.
That's right. Now, SA title then.
We title here Jealousy.
Jealousy. Now, is it out there? Here,
We're releasing in the now.
Okay.
It's on all the platforms. Baby able should be able jealous.
Okay, so they should type what?
Capon jealousy. The Capon is KAHPUN.
KAH.
Coffee baby when you're doing spelling alright sometimes. So KAHPUN. Jealousy is on YouTube.
Okay.
Audio Mark. Anywhere you can think of.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. Capone. You better want to see there. What will be your message to your fans listening to us now? Where should they follow you at?
Yeah, I'm on Instagram and Twitter at Capon. That is KAHPUN_. I'm on Facebook at Capon, just KAHPUN. You search on Facebook, you see me. I want to thank my fans for the maximum support. So far, so good. We're still working. We're still pushing the works. They shouldn't sleep. We should just keeping on pushing the works always to the people. Na voting code so ba we na vote na efe na yankaji brief.
No by time
I don't know yet, okay, but I think pretty soon. Yeah, sure. God bless you. And God bless everyone who did the listening as well.
That's right. That's right. Capone, thank you so very much. I wish you all the best. Our music career. Aye. Good. And then Mrs. Joyce Ofori Amamfo, Mrs. Joyce Ofori Amamfo, former branch managers of a GCB Bank, Circle Branch. You always be remembered. God bless your new age and grant you all your heart desires. Way Ifreye Abigail Treme of a GCB Bank. Circle branch or say and confirm my Mrs. Joyce for your mom former branch managers our GCB Circle branch and then I'll do our mommy happy birthday and call and farmer. This is Adom 106.3 FM. Capone, I say jealousy. A great tune and cause I visited digital platforms also now download you need a KAHPUN. Okay. 8 minutes after 5. Mensaka eye Nana Romeo Fia. And then washishia to suye pa. Alaji, mekache. Mekache.
Ba good ya.
Murangua.
Ya ke kuma.
Murangua.
Lafia ko?
Lafia lo.
Black. For French ba ko so famwe.
Shiri.
I'm the French na me yes me chono. I'm the mampon.
Sha confess on petit métier.
Onim, aya be pon why?
Mon ami, au point ou be.
Be pon. On have a pon why? I say what you do na pon no. O wie tibra.
Nyami Adom also. Good. But you're looking good, man.
So
you're looking good.
Say, what Canada?
Fantastic.
What can catch me?
Now, give us scientific for and come up Ben and more the mind because I put on some day. Yes, Ekramo to another my boy.
That's be brave. Yabachi tier 4 na yama phone so akwaba de aba Adom FM so eni yepo yare ne ye nete se o ye sikani se woni bi se o ye dishie se o ya kwa se o ya fena so akọ school se unko school se de otie bia no se o ho ofe se o ho nye fe se o ye tuntum se o ye kokọ se o ye ganani se o nya ganani che se de nipa otie bia no yare ene ye nete na anwumre yi ye bebo kokọ na ya mo ate ase se yade na eba nipa so no eye noma bi aye ne de yare ne ba na se yare no so ba nyame adom nti ya wanamon bi wo ho so a utu sa namon na e ma yare no kɔ enei se wotie mi a me mo ate ase se oman bia wo ne yare oman bia wo ne yare oman bia ne yare a etete timamufo ya wa man bebre wo ho a enei sa aman no yare a ɛha omo no oman bia ne de okɔ oman bi ti se Nigeria yare a ekum Nigeria for pa ya tidi yare malaria oko Cote d'Ivoire haya yare a ha Cote d'Ivoire for pa no bako HIV AIDS ena bako malaria oba Ghana ha nhwemu kire se malaria ekum Ghana for esen yare bia na Ghana nkasa so no opekura enipa wuwo mu kese pa the whole Ghana Accra ha because Accra ha choki Accra ha obia wa Accra ha sebi mpreduasa obi wo ha oni ba bi te wa Accra so won Accra ha ene so obi store no krobeda ena okọ circle so a wo de wo hwese de circle tie na wo hwese de La Paz tie wo hwe Kaneshi market wo hwe Kaswa wo hwe Ashaiman wo hwe Madina bobo hwe nipa won Accra ha ene efi won Accra ha pa na minu mienu nyina nim se atidi yare malaria no eye mo aye from mosquitoes entontom ena na momosoma yare a efa ne malaria eba yen so na wo hafin a ewo sabio enkra ha efin e won kra ha na je se entontom no de omo de nete na no na me catch you say so you obi a o blood group no ye o a ti ase se ba bi entontom be hia obi o metata o enhwemu kire se obi a ne blood type no ye o no entontom ani je sa moja no pa enti sade etie bia no entontom no hu se wo no o moja no eye o a eni a opa ye den obetata wa akosi so obenya moja ni bia twansa na wako enti ama enei yare no ye poyempo eni ho no matter how you protect yourself no entontom bewe na enei ade a ewo se wo de bo ho ban panyimfo se prevention is better than cure enti enei obesa wo prevent sa wa how ni nyina wadro eye givers eba mesha givers heba mesha adroya me boni din kama yi FDA for asanse agiatum se dro ne ye se wo yare ana se wo nyare wadro eye givers heba mesha ede wonum bia ebebo immune system no ho ban ebe protect enkwam no a ema hoɔden sonoko ahoɔden mapa eba immune system no ti eba sa na yade bia ntumi count odubo nsentontom ye okra na malaria no entimi fa ha bia mrɛw ebiem yare esense wiem sesi a ama wiase nyina abohu na enei akwantu okura ye basa kyese bibia ye basa wonran no yare efe no COVID-19 yade no sebio mo amode ba ne form coronavirus na hwe mo kire se coronavirus mo ano omwura video mo system a it take you 14 days ansa na yare efe no COVID-19 wanya bi the mom say we immune system near stronger and one na ye form coronavirus no wura video mo a omuntumi survive 2 days crampo na nkame so mo be di 14 days e the COVID-19 abro wadro e ye give us ba mesha onomu a unya COVID-19 bi de bia ye ka say obi obenum give us ba mesha obenya COVID-19 no on find the hospital bonumra na yentua kamfama na chese ya dadao ya tumfuturo gu ani give us ba mesha no apart from akwada when di 12 years any oba pemfo ne oba o ma akwada no fo no obi anoma eyeye o yare o onyare o fa ho to aduro so ye ka de ahye nyankopon de animonyam se obi obenum give us ba mesha bia no onya COVID ni bia onsi ehu no fa ne hospital bill no emra ne yentua ka ene 1 2 obi obenum give us about mesha malaria be kum no nyame ntua give us adwuma for no from CEO ekosi security ka because anache say no ya betena radio so ene ye dada mo ene I say ade no enye nsoso yesi ye nti give us for ye say unum give us about mesha na malaria kum a heaven cry nkubi
I like that challenge that we're through no pa.
Yes. Say unum give us about mesha na malaria kum a papa bra me se nyankopon no anka se tie heaven ho ye do se masa dwuan chen.
That's right.
Okay, say kwatena Adom FM mo koka asem we nti mo bua mo fonti no brunsem jam kwana down mo fa wona mo ko enti yesrew enya numdwa ye ka asem a ye de ni brede na ene onya enamu san yade no oye ne bebre no mo de oye oba wo hu sa wo namu san yade a ofa afuro bi anase ene efe ne miscarriage no tubo so de be sha bayi for saa so na nya bayi eye enamu san yade no emoa wa na ewo mu no omo na ese nyensen ne saa no de tosumie no woye bema na wonso nya enamu san yade na emoa na ye from sperm no emoa no enamu san yade no ma moa na week nti eba san no ne obada na hu san no kogu oba na sisi menu nsuo no kogu oba na se a sperm na ewo mu no a sese tunkosua no omo agene ahode bia nim nti omuntumi tunkosua afa obi a ne sisi ne ya obi a ne yamatim bosomi miensa bia wo sa onom diwema ofa diwema onom diwema na ensoso nuwu busa won sen sonso nuwu a eya de na mo ye oyefurum ho ensonso nuwu a e wasa wonom aduru a betumi asanfuru yam na yi sonso nu nyina pie nya sa wo mo ka yam no mu wu ho na pro ha eno so de another complication bebro kope givers ko nu bi na ensanfuru yam enkan na nyi flames ni amama bia fru system no mu e ba cho kotobi no moaw ye ma ye kasanwa empanyini se aduro beje wa ya trema asopa wo ho so enche na asem no atom now your number ni 0543 222 na say 2 near 3 and a 470 0543 222 470 0543 222 470 ba bia ye ton do bia wa Ghana ba bia okwa obenya bi okone ya kacho se give us na sa ba da duro bi wa ha ene give us ne e pa ti asese ensa tie nyina kura nyepe ye wa kura ne wa motokura ne wa kura konkron nkura nyina nse intima obi ama wadu fufuro bia se give us no ye ni nua bia ya na ye de ye ho intima sem nyina ne okona give us na sa ko ba bi fufuro na koto black masem nyina no
eno ano no asempa de etia nye kasa bebre kwan toponko nipa nso beje wadi a enye kasa bebre I think say give us for the more boa pa ama Ghana ya pomude hu semesi PSA. You see the good thing about ye adwuma mo ye ne say omai bia betum pon a ejina nipa na ewo mu no wo mo apomuden exactly sa apomuden ni sipisita omai ni benya sika and until give us for the say mo afa to mo ho se mbeboa na nation development no mo be hwe health no mo make sure say ya pomode won se mercy PS tande ne kwan so ano no ti e be da mo asipi good let's read as many let me show so
Christian Christian Yedmo onua FM chia no tie
okay all right na Romeo Welly and at Motene Kada. This is Adom 106.3 FM. Belated birthday wishes and comma Mr. Samuel K. Dakon. Mr. Samuel K. Dakon or Asin Amwabin we free Nanan Quantabisa hot. I say we show belated birthday Mr. Samuel K. Dakon of Asin Amwabin. Etiefo na me pacho munim bibi. Enei. Mensaka eye me bra penny bako wakosha America over 20 years. Na waba Ghana. Na ene mama na ba studio mu for se ene mi tumi ye radio na radio ni ye oda. Sa papa ne wo so de aseda de mano. Baby a medru e wo radio mu nyina no. Me de aseda be ma sa papa no. Esan se sankanyo no a anka manwura radio station da. Ono na so me nsa deche say edi mi radio station for the first time. Na ono di bi radio station no. And onu jam me hokokosha America. Eti kanyo no anka manya access to even radio station. To even come and become a radio presenter. To even present a show for you to enjoy. And I'm so pleased to have Saint can come today. I never baba celebrated HBA. But in the meantime, I'm a kakra flow. Da enyom kakra flow. Da mene the man. Anka nyo noa. Anka mentumi anya radio. Anya papaya. One time. Anya sa papaya. Anka mentumi anya radio. Onu ne hunu me mobo eso me nsa edi mi radio station for the first time. I quite remember that one was a year 2001. Ewo Ash FM Ewo Kumasi. Today we have a lot to talk about. I have said can come in the building, man. We're going to celebrate our own this afternoon.
See that sexy girl from Ghana. One of a kind, I call her sexy nana. Yeah, she kill him inside, I can't deny her. Yeah. Cupid drop the instrumental straight from Ghana. Yeah. Say I've been killing every show, I've been rocking every party. For this money, and I wanna spend it all on the girl of my dreams, and that's you, my queen. So, let me talk to you. My baby, let me talk to you, baby. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Let me talk to you. My baby, let me talk to you, baby. Slow down. Let me talk to you. My baby, let me talk to you, baby. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Let me talk to you. My baby, let me talk to you, baby.
The way she walk on tape, make the bad man what say. What you feel long and a short and flame. You deserve a diamond ring. Black woman skin smooth. Where she no bleach, she no burn up. Make we take it back to the root. Yeah, me and you wanna roll up. I wanna make you my Friday. Sorry, yeah. When you love
someone. You'll be there when you love someone. This crazy fool will be there when you love someone. You're still there. Love forgives. Through the good and the bad, one life to live. That's what we promise, share with me. Love sweeter than honey. I'm watching your feet, holding this beat of love when we meet. Ain't it so sweet when he not there? Nothing they right. When him come there, everything they tight. When you love somebody, you just love that body. Even when you hurting inside, you love it. When you love someone, you'll be there. When you love someone, you be the fool, but you don't care. When you love someone, you'll be there.
When emotions boil, out love crawls. Love got me wrapped like a chocolate foil. Smiles on my face, I'm hurting inside. Holding on to fate, but I'm killing my pride. A lot of things happen when you love someone. So I wanna ask if you got a love plan. Cause someone that treat I'm a bit baby. All day, every day. Somewhere pressure, family.
That's right. That's right. Now, and then you after the news from 7 p.m. Ecosi 12 midnight. Papa Bills at the if you had done most work, heavy one power. She send you heavy power at the bro and then you so make it a date and then I dream Papa Bills in your public flow at the amount. But say, oh, you so Vodafone now. What wedding? It's not say you so Vodafone now. Oh, send this car come out door for. Oh, send this car come out now for 4. Oh, send this car your business. Yen from Vodafone to all the other networks, they free. Samsung Obi send you scare free another network about Vodafone, so free. Yeah, you were here. And until Vodafone, so join Vodafone. Sans Vodafone, they are doing so 1 CD, 5 CD, 10 CD, 9 and until Vodafone, so not to me services can now fire the Papa B. El Wabrabo. Vodafone, is it ready? Yo, about 5:30. 5:30 now, boy. Papa Bills, and then many aje, many je, hua. Say, Papa or some sa Edinburgh radio station for the first time. We're free America, ba. Or by now, semi chino. Just say on ice, need who would wear none crown and my chin da babetina studio by force. I was semi chin the studio by force. Now, I'm out for Monjani on Facebook. Monjani on Facebook is here. I'm going to pay him. The day at the saint can come. Now, Papa, ni nyuma doso ankasa. Or ye instrumentalist. Obo keyboard, obo xylophone, obo saxophone, phone. Did ye jayo? What ye baby you? Ye the free hoba bass guitar, lead guitar, drums. Chese jayo ni nyina nanchai outside the new studio sound engineer professional sound engineer correct one pao enya asem ketwa adwom tofo na womo anyi kakra ne de ye bossent can come what they will understand and afa hip life in pedinfo no hip life in pedinfo power so am inside the mirror radio station no oja me okosha America oja me ho ekosha America saint can come oja me ho zit oja me ho ekaketua bi nka bi tri nyina etutu oze media tutu eni ayeka rapeni eni ayeka o enya ayeka na mpacho obe o mic ne mame na amanfo monjani on Facebook na monhwe papa no a odi miwura radio station for the first time Saint can come.
Yes, sir.
I will forever be grateful.
Hey, thank you, sir. Thank you. It's good, sir. You know, people remember what they have to remember.
That's right.
So thank you very much for remembering what you have to remember.
That's right. That's right. Me da se dodo. Me kai that was 21 years ago.
Yeah.
And me call computer school bi wa Adom.
Yeah.
Na Adom na computer school na me share madam fu bi wo ho. And me ne madam fu ni di nkomo na ohun say me wo interest was sound engineering mu. Any programming of music bu. And o ka say there be o ne bra panimu bi wo ho a obe introduce me e de na mano. Na o ampa so introduce me e de me ma papa yi. Ampa so papa yi hu me no wanda ne na chi ankyere me. Or the Michini Studios from Bantama Studio to his studio or the Michini Mall. Na ninyina mu ono ena onya contract e ko share HFM. Say all money wo mu studio bi. Senior. We dey mamu akwa but I'm come kwa dey be hu ba bi a me mfa ni crazy. Na me hu ba bi mpo a me mfa ni na crazy. Enye easy.
Yes, man.
Ba ba bi anya me dey abeduni.
That is it. Yeah. It's so happy. You see, that's the thing, sir. We are penny, right? Then you look back. Now who or more would do almost start here and they land of the place. I mean, hey, that makes me happy.
That's right.
That makes me happy. As long as that they are happy, that makes me happy. That's it. You know, it's not about as long as they are fit and they are doing what they love to do. I just sit down. That's what makes me happy.
That's right.
Most people love to go to the hey, mommy cash, mommy say, but to me, Lydia, all that I need is to see the progress, to see a chairman, to see you, to see almost everybody. That makes me really happy. Mama need you more.
That's right. Fantastic. Mekai time wa Kennedy Afa. Ashefem manager no mekai time wa frɛ na oka se obehia wo moa. Na me assist to at that time. Na yesesa nneoma mekai na wo mixing console studio monitor ne wo computer bisa no waje computer kakraka bi white one kakraka monitor ne kakraka mekai me swaye mekai pa me swa no miti so and then ye de fa car e de call HFM and ye ko set up studio B less than 1 month since can come and now jam why ba ne say
sir, what happened was time you free. I was working at a Phantom from TV then.
Not Phantom from TV. So
from there, no. Then that time I was still doing music, so with Megastar and all that. Then I had a chance to hit on the road with Hugh Masakela and TNA straight now.
Hugh Masakela, South Africa man.
It was Hugh Masakela.
I tell you.
Straight from there, then away. So from there went to the States. This was not easy. You know, when you get to the States. You realize, hey, yo, so him, but you drew on more. A lot of people forget about music.
That's
a lot
right.
of people forget about sound engineering. Bills got to be paid. And all these, it was a struggle, but finally we are back here. Like, I remember everything. You were stubborn though.
Now me a stubborn Zidia.
Yeah.
I'm out for Papa with my running jeans pa. Na me a good apprentice into Papa Mills. Me who jeans in
the good thing about you is baby yes me miano. That was one good thing that helped you.
That's right.
Multimedia studio said no, I have me. Mean damn but I'm so happy.
That's right.
I'm so happy to see you.
I'm so happy to see you too. Na ukokoshe US no na experience net say because na say osaye mobile studio na studio no e work mu a wode nam na record patcho share experience ka kache.
When I got to the States, it was not easy. I started playing band with different kind of bands. Different kind of bands all over. Till set, one thing led to the other. So playing off the band, I never forgot all my skills because if you are not careful, one of the skills. And I have so many skills. So I kept it going.
Okay.
So doing engineering, doing this, doing that, recording different people, setting up studio, doing that. Then at one point, I moved from Washington, D.C. And met my business partner, Nane Alasita. We put everything together. So we realized, rent and for the office space, so we moved everything down to south of Richmond, about an hour from Virginia Beach.
Okay.
We got the place, and it was not easy. We did the music school, we did a special effect, music, everything, recording and everything.
Our America hall.
Yeah, so United States, we have a real studio, and apartment studio.
That's right.
Office space, apartment studio. You school. Your mobile studio,
Okay.
We record, and as I talk to you now, we have 2 artists that they are on the line waiting.
Okay.
Starting BBI, maybe production by the time by next week. Yes, we met this guy called Eagle Eye.
Okay.
And Eagle Eye is a very good musician, so we try to let him get the boys together.
Okay.
Then we keep you see, the whole idea is with all the experience I've gathered, I cannot sit there and just America have enough of talent.
That's right.
So Top Spear decided to come back home and set up Top Spear Africa.
Okay.
Because the one in the United States is doing okay. So we cannot sit down and laugh at production down here.
Okay.
While we can do it. So
that's right.
That is it. So we came down here to get the boys together, get the musicians going, and we are going to teach sound engineering. We are going to teach editing, video editing, special effect, and you even pass through. So you saw the little.
That's right. That's right.
We are going to
and there will cameras be a would dear fear bro chira samba but I could say 360 camera to me round the say
that is it. We are trying to make the industry move a little
That's
bit.
right.
So we can
That's right. That's right. And it was so effective, special effective. Be no nipa bako in the room. We say nipa bako no or no munsio. The same nipa bako na no or the couch mu no na coffee. The same nipa bako na ojina on board ho to idea.
Yeah. So this is that is what we are really in here.
That's right.
To do because we are ready to teach. That is our main destination. We have the studio. Record. Hey, we are in for profit.
That's
but
it.
Our main after the profit. No, our main destination is to teach the younger folks how to do the thing right. And yes, be a kotna baby video editing for 2 weeks. I feel where. Boss of himself and all that. No, we want to really teach the youth how to do the thing.
That's it. It is if I say a video editing, no, who didn't be
video editing, so
and it's different from the special effects, Nana.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir. Who's a video editing? No, young fan say who editing movie? Is different from documentary.
Okay.
Documentary are different from music video.
That's right.
Yes, and these are all the things like show them how to fly the drones because right now we realize that the drone have taken route.
Okay.
So we need to show them how to fly the drone. So these are all the different elements I ever show them.
That's
like
it.
video editing, especially sound. Sound mixing, because one thing you should realize vision and audio becomes video and together. But sometimes you watch the movies, sketch now, you realize that they concentrate too much on the video than not the vision, not the audio. So these are all the things that we are in town to show them and get it going.
That's it. Fantastic. So are we looking at Accra Hapa now say Ghana in its broad?
Right now, we want to start from Accra.
That's
Last year
right.
we came and we spent about a month in Kumasi.
That's right.
But no disrespect, Kumasi is not ready for what we have to offer. We were there for some time and we realized a whole lot of impediments and the mindset and everything. So the whole idea, and they say we're going to set this thing in the whole of the country. Each region will have it the same thing, the same sound quality. Into Nyazo will be free tamale abba. Into your person educate a lot of them. But school you have a job.
That's it.
You have a job.
Most definitely.
You have a job. Until like I talked to you the other time, your person studio no, you engineer. Now ubetimia ya wonyom anywhere, any software, and you can bring it and complete it there. We are not going to have just one established engineer on the beat no. No. Because we have in the rehearsal space, so we engineer and as long as we are ready to work in a for bra.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's also best school national graduate. Then you your laptop kit every now your paddies be you export everything, bring it to us, then we finish it with the song, and when we finish with it, within a day we be sending it back to US, master it, do everything and bring it here. And what we are doing this year in house, especially graphic designers.
Okay.
United States graphic designers there's a lot of talent here.
Okay.
And what we are going to do is with graphic designers ubetimi aberente camera no e dey shoot you opeso edit to ubetimi edit, because if we don't do that there's a lot of people who need job or more talent how to get it into the all different cameras from the Canons, from the DSLR camera reds all the way to Black Magic into oberente camera no ko in the juma or the bar or pesi edit mana you betimi edit or pesi issue editing bench na betimi edit into in that case na be put to youth we cannot sit on Facebook near complaining in Africa. They no, we have to put our foot down.
That's right. Now, set up no better one crime.
Your office no better next to UNICEF.
Okay.
But your studios Accra New Town.
Okay.
No, sorry.
Osu
Ringo Estate. I don't know why that can keep up. I love the new town.
Open new town.
I love the new town, man. That side makes me feel alive.
I tell you.
And it will be on Ringway Estate.
Okay.
Right. Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. And Richard Tetefio says he's a great man. God richly bless you. And Regan Anodro says, hello, Saint. And this one says, send your contact numbers, please, for business. And this one says, his contact number, my kid, AB say, Yahweh J says, is that Saint can come from Adom Kumase?
Yes, it's him.
It's him?
Alive and kicking.
That's right. Okay, beans. Guy na beans be an esha mufi na chu.
Charlie, last year some me attack you omo.
Attack you.
Me call you and be catch you am say rent omo ntua ye nyina for 21 years na me ba be Charlie omo ma me gari ne dey and say me say me yefunu no. Can't stand it.
I say we call you na check with your system.
Oh, by me omo they were so happy, but you know what I did was say me could line him right.
Who could line him?
Could line him.
Okay.
So him said they didn't all of a sudden you know, like the whole place went yeah, but still no bet you am a rent for 21 years.
Quite me aso so mutua. Na beans no di ye de.
Oh, beans no be.
Na wodi ye de na ye wo yam.
And no be like I said both roges of the her. Both roges, and you know the funny thing, right? Eating this we were sitting there and eat, but that beans me.
That's right.
For
that
days.
beans you.
Me.
Fantastic. Anyway, so Senior.
Yeah.
How do you want to see your industry, in 5 years to come?
Yes, how I want to see the industry in 5 years to come. That yebenya identity. Right now, me tenasia adibiya me ya nesan manage because the Nigerians are moving into Netflix, all the big money.
Nigerians move to Netflix.
Netflix was a section of Nigerian movies.
Okay.
A section of Nigerian movies. And yes, I share musicians now. They are identity because you share Indians. You share those days you hear Indian film. Ocean and now, but they kept going on. They kept having an identity. They kept going on. And this to me, and yeah, identity need to go on. It will be a problem. But what I think is that before you can get the identity, the people behind the scenes, if they progress empowerment and people who are not scared to bring their creativity alive. Because right now, no Obia per se, Obia the same thing.
Okay.
You know, because if you are making some studio na nipo start here zone to beat and come up bone heavy. Make us say now all the beats now we bet they were that creativity, they were sure of it.
That's it.
That's it. So right now, no one say everybody is doing the same thing.
Okay.
Until 5 years from now, two different things and no way almost the same thing. Until that is what I want to see in 5 years. Like I can train enough people, empower enough people, bring a lot of equipments into the system and let the creativity juice flow.
Hey, money ade. Who say want to me yeah adwuma for so many years. Now still we are relevant pa. O de ba eye o my Ghana mu ha. Who say your sound engineers say we programming kakra few years be able say as we fade out. Now another person so be some few years once we fade out. Usha, what is the problem?
Okay, one thing I better realize is that so in the United States, studio beat me Juma for 30 years, 40 years.
Okay.
Still, Quincy Jones that year Juma.
Okay.
So, and one of the things that SSCF say, engineers in Ghana burn out easily. Why do they burn out easily? So for production, for production now, I did be say program by this. That is it. But say unkwa person your drum, person your guitar, ultimate the same template drum. We bad no way in the free. So one day ultimate try number 3 cash neighbor. No matter what. Ube burning out, and you wanna be burning out. The people get tired of hearing the same, and you be out within home. People get tired.
Okay.
So what the Dr. Dre's and all these do, they say they open the floor for other musicians. Your fans will produce you at dinner. When him say okay, sa guitar way, this person can do it. They bring in the person. They involve a lot of minds.
Okay.
And you involve a lot of minds, you never burn out. You bet me a choir for 40 years.
Okay.
Discovering the youth. But it should be a drum part in Bibo heavy. You bring the person in. Santi, these people do this to stretch it for years and they don't burn out. You know, yes, and now bet now also your studio every day. We bet me training pa bear for your moje cash, can be
cash in ba.
Udin when you nim chese yeah near corner one wine within 3 years. Oba burning out. Oba start about the same thing. Why?
So Ediaba now say inculcating now.
What we need to do is we have to bring a lot of people to the table.
Okay.
What you need to do is young fans be obi guitar, obi timi incorporating different things. So the percussionist, change the movement of the whole thing. Get creative, spread the mind.
Okay.
So when you're creative now, so you're quick. Now when you're cash, Bolagan the obeko batanga. One no the be slow down. Don't even go Bolagatanga. The Bolagan the obeko near Tangano. You 3 steps.
Sir, this one says, wow, Saint, a very talented saxophonist back then. Ask him if he remembers Mr. Odro Amani King and Spartus.
Mr. Odro. He was one of the tallest rappers that I know. I used to call him the gentleman.
I tell you.
He was nice. You look at him, you don't even think he can rap. Baududi Jamaica, man.
Okay.
Oh, Mr. Odro.
That's right. They say they remember you a lot in Adom, and they say you had a studio and was by then grooming a Achiame.
Oh yeah. That's another story altogether.
That's another story altogether. There's a wabwa musicians.
Oh yes, of course, and I'm really happy to see them going up. I usually don't want to talk about them.
That's right.
But I just love to sit and see them enjoying life, and you see that makes me happy. I think that's why I'm still broke. because if I have done it the other way, I won't be broke by now.
Okay. Then say, oh, do I really share sikana more and come by now? Okay. But now, quality, no. Now, person be compromise on quality, no. That's right. I was thinking to me drop it. But I said, it looks like we almost try. So I don't know. You organize another session about and the Dusty.
Yeah.
I hope say on that particular one we will have a very lengthy conversation. Other tunes and the instruments so go on about bobia Eddie Amaya. Amanfo papa we and a some inside the Mirror radio station can you know and can meant to me anya radio and can be baby and come for the remedy. But they so enjoy me pa and papa we and a some inside at the Mirror radio station. It is saint.
Yeah.
And I'll pay a museum. You better was it for now. Now, and Kofa say we more reach out to you for business conversation.
Yes, for
Kofa say we follow handles in your day. To what I remember, we to me the ninja to her. Now, Kofa to me, I reach you out.
I think
for business opportunities.
Number now because me buy them in kind number.
On kind number,
so you can put it out there, and anybody who want to learn, anybody who the studio will start setting up on Thursday, and within a week, basic, with the green room, we are working on it. So from a week today, we're thinking of having an open house.
Definitely.
And everybody will swing in.
Definitely.
And everybody will come and enjoy.
Definitely. See, the number in here. 05 before send me the number but to jam patch off or handles the to jam na me fa number no to jam ko number ne me the to jam start ya bombarded with phone calls it you do social media handles be to jam top spear
Top Spear Media your Facebook Top Spear Media
all right
and www.topspear-media.com yeah basically.
That's right. And Saint can come soon on Facebook. Yeah. Saint can come on
no,
Facebook.
Facebook when me starting Saint can come and can block it.
Can block it.
Can come kwabena. Yes.
Yeah, when been dance can come.
Name you to.
Now who you do who says you to?
Oh, na say you me that day. Me pie na me Chale now many a woman me can just say you talking to me because I don't know crown. I see Mr. TPA Monday. Yesterday Mr. TPA 11 I think say 11:58.
Monday 11:58.
But me PA na 12:06.
Now it's a Tuesday. Now it's a who TPA Monday.
Thank you.
And nobody ni PA Tuesday.
That is. According therefore to.
Okay, we are open for business. It's more for 0591 296 672. 0591 296 672. Make sure 0591 296 672. Best at ya. She said, "Dear, final message.
My final message right now, no, is that you should not give up. So when camera should to be who was our talent, no, you're open for business. We're ready to train you. We're ready to give you the cameras. We're ready to leave you with our editing bench, studio. Come to the school, get a job, empower yourself. Let your creativity juice flow. Don't ever think say started,
That's right.
We started from somewhere. So when we open, come, sign up, learn it, you have a job. Cameras no, for cameras no, say party now do you go try, say divorce party cry now do you go try. Bra, by editing, all learning how to fly drones, different type of drones, how to learn the altitudes, everything about it. We are open.
Mate. Brasin can come here, better CP.
Hey, you're welcome, sir.
And welcome back to GH, man.
Hey, man,
now, when you're Fufunia, can't be
Chale.
Okay,
yeah, 3 months old.
Mati mensuru. Senior mensuru, you have Fufuna, yes, our catfish joint beans. You ever say we ho. Why? So also we pork. Since can come in the Ghana, I'll enjoy it. Why? I'll enjoy. Thank you so very much. And now Saints can come for you. This is Adom 106.3 FM. And happy birthday to a Mendoza Note, way for Dr. Pounds home. Happy birthday in Komaya Jonathan Morton in Seidu. Of a Glorious Child School Complex. Pokwase. Happy birthday to Jonathan Morton in Seidu. Happy birthday. We'll go school Glorious Child School Complex Opokwase. And then I did 7 years. We're free Mr. John Adams of Connecticut, United States, Abontin so Osianko and Famao. Aha, any did you medine DACA. Thank you for doing the lesson. Papa Bills. Now see you mre if you are not more fire. And you back to back. And you may make a date with Papa Bills after the news at 6. African. Thank you so very much. This year, Rasta non so ebo. They say the only James Taji could say Musi Rastas na. Mo hen man kwa chimoto. Ana mo ambeti musku. Okay, ana mo mra agree memorial e beji mo ho. Obakwa akraka. James Tajeko, thank you so very much. These are the team I almost bought my chidome edition at the bro and then me didn't quite see up here. Obey to me, I'm from Black Eye. It's been a wonderful week. I have enjoyed every bit of your company. Ti nyami adumwa ochina anopa from 8 a.m. to midday. So let's make a date. And